The LD400 laser measure comes with the laser measure and a protective neoprene carry case. I'm Jason Becker with Stabila, and this is the LD400 laser measure. This laser measure has a lot more function to it, has a larger range. This one works over 150 feet with the accuracy of a 16th of an inch over the entire range. But it has a lot more function to it, but still has the same compact design that's small enough to fit in your pocket like a cell phone. It has a real rugged, rubberized design meant to hit the floor and be able to pick it up and work again. And it has a water and dust rating of IP54, so it's protected from all the drywall dust you're working around. Like I said, this one has a lot more function to it. It has square footage and volume like many other lasers, but there's a few more nice functions that it has. One of them would be this flip-out piece on the back here. What this means is if I flip that out, it acts almost like a tape measure, where I can hook something and get a measurement from the corner. If I flip it out one more stage, it becomes a point. What that point does is it'll fit into an inside corner of, let's say, this window jamb here. So I can go inside that corner right there, point to the opposite corner, take a measurement, put the laser into this corner, point at the opposite corner, take a measurement, and if they match, which in this case they did, that means the window is absolutely square. But when it comes down to it, laser measures, whether it's a complicated laser measure or it's a simple point-and-shoot laser measure, the best thing you can ever use every day is that simple point-and-shoot. All I have to do is take this laser, put it up against a wall, point to the other wall, and by myself, I have a measurement of 15 foot 8 1/8 of an inch within a 16th of an inch. I can cut a piece of trim to that. It'll fit right in there. One of the applications that the LD400 was designed for is commercial job sites like this. What happens is the contractors have to measure the steel studs that are going to go up to the roof deck to length. In this case here, it's about 18 feet, so it's hard to do with a tape measure. So what I do, all I do is I turn the laser on, and one great feature that the laser has, that on a dimly lit job site like this, I just push the light button. It's got a great backlight, so it's easier to read. So all I do is I take the laser, set it down where I want to measure from, use the laser beam, point to where I want to hit the button, 19 foot even, all right? As you can see, there's a floor height change right here. You just take the laser, set it down there again, turn it on, point there where I want to go, hit the button again, 17 foot 1 15/16. This laser is accurate to within a 16th of an inch over 150 feet every time. So the next thing also is it's keeping track of all the measurements that I have on the screen. So I can easily go back and I can write down the measurements right on the foundation. I have 19 foot, 17 foot 1 15/16. Now I can walk away and somebody can come behind me, read my measurements, and cut the studs length.